Hey there everyone, this is Patrina with Specifics. I just wanted to pop in and share with you some of the attributes and the properties of this beautiful sodalite stone. Now, dark blue sodalite is a quartz sodium calcite compound. And you see the little white inclusions in there? Those are inclusions of calcium. Now, it also contains salt and manganese. As a matter of fact, the name comes from two Greek words, and they are soda, which means salt, and lithos, which means stone. Now, this has a Mohs hardness scale of between a 5 and a 6, so it's a pretty hard stone. It also helps, it's known as the stone of peaceful sleep and general well-being. It resonates at your third eye chakra point. So whenever you utilize this or meditate with it or wear this stone, you can wear it wire wrapped on your body. It's going to help increase your intuition. It's also a stone that is great for artists and musicians as it inspires creativity. So if you're working on anything, even in your garden or something around your home or decorating, anything that's going to require any type of creativity, then this stone is going to help you with that. It helps instill self-confidence. So this is a great stone to help you relax at night, to inspire you, and to promote a really nice evening's sleep. All right, this is available right now through twilighttherapy.com, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.